Welcome back once again to the 2023 Miss Dig 811 annual meeting. I have Mrs. Miranda Carr. How are you, Miranda?
Good. How about yourself?
I am doing all right. So there's something that I think people don't understand when it comes to research with Miss Dig 811. Can you please explain that?
Yeah, for sure. So if you're a contractor and you place the ticket for a site, say back in the old system, and you need a copy of that ticket or a voice recording, then you would go to our website at missdig811.org, and then you would search research requests. And you can always give us a call as well, and we can verify and walk over the steps to get you to the information you need. But by doing the research request, you'll actually get a copy of the ticket, a voice recording if you requested that, and positive response.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.